Y'all, this is all we got left of our Haitian series. We got our lemonade, lemonade, the way they were saying it. I need to make sure I say it right. Y'all, I gotta practice my Creole, so don't be over trying to drive me. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Tastes better the next day. Wow. 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 Got pickles? I know y'all want some. Here. Oh. Wow. You guys just feeling like working. I love that for y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I know y'all waiting for the videos to be uploaded. Y'all, I'm still tired from cooking. Let me smoke quickly. I'm looking for that scotch bonnet. I bit one yesterday. My ear's still ringing. One thing I've learned, I'm not putting the seeds in it no more. I thought I liked the spicy. I had my dog walk this chicken. Y'all know I never play when it comes to my food. Never. Let me see my pickles. Wow. The flavor on the chicken is different. But we gotta eat everything. You can't leave nothing back. Cause what was there? Wow. Baby, that flavor in the bone. Do you hear me? Wow. Hold on, y'all. I gotta give me some more pickles. Try my pickles. I'm gonna get a mixing jar, y'all. I couldn't find a lid to it. But y'all remember when I was cutting up them habaneros, the scotch bonnet, and I kept on saying, "Oh, let me put the seeds in it. I love spicy. I love spicy." I should have reconsidered that. I put so much other seeds. She was like, I kept on saying, "I want it really, really spicy." So she like, "Okay, leave some of the seeds." Baby, it was overly spicy. I couldn't even enjoy it. Like, if y'all see how much scotch bonnet is in here, it's crazy. Like, look at this. Who can, like, and I like spicy food. Y'all know I like spicy food, but this right here is crazy. I'm making sure, like, I ain't getting none in there. But it made it spicy. It was good, but it was too spicy. Okay, don't get no scotch bonnet in there. Mind y'all, I didn't even know I liked carrots. Like, I would say I don't like carrots. But pickles, I don't know. It's just too good. I cannot wait to put this all over my food. I'm actually meal prepping. My meal prepped this week. I'm using my 8-piece seasoning that I made. I'm going to make me some fish. And I got a little bit of rice left. My pickles for my meal prep. Girl, you can't tell me nothing. Okay. Snicks would be mad if I done the pickles. Put a little more chips. Y'all want some? I know y'all do. It's good too, y'all. It's good. I'm gonna upload the video. I'm gonna upload it soon. Baby, the bone. Flavor alone on the bones is good. I eat the bones. Girl, I learned so much yesterday. I can't wait to share it with y'all. But right now, I'm still tired. So until I recuperate from being in the kitchen, I can't tell y'all yet. Wow. I know y'all want some. Homemade chicken wing dry. Y'all, wait till y'all see my Thanksgiving this year. It's gonna be so lit. A Haitian American Thanksgiving dinner. I can't be stopped. And none of y'all can't clock me, because I learned the authentic way. Yeah. I gotta get a few things in my kitchen to, when I'm making my Haitian dishes, easy. Because for number one, them limes, we had about 50 limes. Ain't no way I can squeeze them limes. I gotta get something to squeeze the limes. And I need something to press the plantains down. If you're in Florida, send me a little package. I need the authentic Haitian beans, because we do not have them in California. We could not find them. Send me the leaves you put over the rice to cook. Send me some Haitian stuff, y'all. Some authentic stuff, y'all in Florida. Send me a little package. I gotta fly to Florida and get it myself, because I need that stuff in my kitchen. I need it to be quick, even though y'all meal's not quick and easy. Which is nothing quick and easy about this meal. But at least I can make my limonade. At least I can do that, y'all. But I cannot squeeze some limes by hand. I know y'all got something to make it easier. And I want the Haitian stuff. I don't want to go to the American grocery store. I want what y'all got and what y'all use in y'all kitchen. So, my Haitians, send me a pack. I need the beans. Because, oh, also, send me the black mushrooms, y'all, from Haiti. Or if y'all grandma, granny, auntie, grandpapa, whoever got a garden down there in Miami, give me some fresh stuff to cook my food with. Come on now, y'all. Don't hold out on me. I ain't holding out on cooking this stuff and giving me y'all cooking content. Don't hold out on me. Send me what I need so I can make myself the proper way if I have everything I need. So y'all see my next holiday hosting. So American side, Haitian side. I wait to cook this with my friends and family. I cannot wait to have this out. Haitians, grandmas, aunties, moms, I got a different level of respect for y'all. Not saying I didn't respect y'all before, but I got a different level of respect. That prep, and I cook, y'all. I've been in the kitchen since I was about 8 with my granny. I cooked. But that's a whole nother level of cooking. That prep was insane.